Hello friends, I am Dr. Sutaranji from Sanjini College of Pharmaceutical Education and Research, Department of Pharmacognosy. Friends, as MCQ based exams are there that is to be conducted by SPPU Pune, so I am coming with MCQs on pharmacognosy and phytochemistry SPPU Pune, third year, fifth semester. So friends, here with I'm not going to give the questions and answer type, but what is the basic reason is there, what is the principle is there, what is the active principle reagents are there, such type of the information is there. I have to provide it in this one questions answers session. So friends, first question, dragon top reagent, where the principal active reagent is there, that's a potassium bismuth iodide, which gives orange red color precipitate when it is treated with alkaloids. But the question is there, dragon top reagent, it does not give positive taste with. When that one reagent is to be treated, the no color is there is to be formed. What is the example is there, that is a morphine, codeine, caffeine and imitin. So correct answer is there, that is a caffeine is there. When you have the Dagenhart reagent or any alkaloidal reagent is to be treated with the caffeine, caffeine does not give orange red color precipitate because it is a purine alkaloid is there. It's not a true alkaloid. So the color is there is not to be formed in case of the caffeine. Precursor for the biosynthesis of propane alkaloid is what? What type of precursors are there that is we utilize? Whether ornithine is there, tyrosine is there, lysine is there, or leucine is there. The correct answer is there, that is a ornithine is there, which is to be utilized as a precursor for the biosynthesis of the propane alkaloid. So which test is utilized for identification of purine alkaloid? Friends, in the first question, we see that the caffeine is the purine alkaloid is there. So for purine alkaloid, which one test is there is to be refer? Vitalimorine test, one arc reagent test, muraxide test, or Brown-Taggart test. So correct answer is there, that's a muraxide test is there. Whenever the drug is there, it should be treated with this one muraxide, the evaporation is there, should be carried out, and on ammoniacal vapor, there is a purple color is there, it should be formed. This is of the muraxide test is there. Malonic acid pathway is also known as what? HMG-CoA reductase pathway, acetate malonate pathway, isopronate pathway, or all of the above. The correct answer is there is all of the above. Malonic acid is there is well known by all these names. Wagner test, where the potassium iodide is used to detect the presence of what? In case of the Wagner reagent, potassium iodide is the principal active reagent is there, which plays an important role. Here, the for example is there, that is the steroids, alkaloids, terpene or glycoside. For what the Wagner test is utilized? The correct answer is there, that is the alkaloids. The reason is there, what is the potassium is there, potassium iodide is there, in that iodide is to be react with the nitrogen of the alkaloids, and because of that the complex is formed, iodide alkaloid complex is there is to be formed, and because of that the reddish brown color precipitate is there is obtained. One of the general characteristic is not true for alkaloid. What are the general properties of the alkaloids are there? One property is there is not true alkaloid, or the characteristic of the true alkaloid. Nitrogen is in a heterocyclic nucleus, pK is less than 7, good solubility in organic solvent and optically inactive. So the correct answer is B, that is pK less than 7. This is not a true characteristics of the alkaloid. In case of the Rauwolfia, which part is used as a medicines? What is Rauwolfia? What is the synonym of this one, Rauwolfia? Rauwolfia serpentina. Serpentina, Rauwolfia root-like structure is there. So the correct answer is there, that is a root is there. Which type of the stomata is present in Catharanthus leaf? Cathartes leaf contain example anisocytic, anomocytic, parasitic, diacytic. Parasitic is there, that is anisocytic is the correct answer, where the three subsidiary cells are there that are to be present, where one is small and two are large one. Synonym of opium. Opium is there is well known by khaskhas, raw opium, white poppy, or all of the above. The correct answer is there is all of the above. Where opium is there is well known by all the name. So these are the synonym of this one drug. Alkaloid derived from tyrosine. Which one? Papaverine, ergot, tropane, anabasine. The correct answer is there. That is a papaverine is there. That alkaloid that is derived from tyrosine. Lysine acts as a precursor for what? Papaverine, morphine, purine, anabasine. The correct answer is anabasine. Flavonoids are biosynthetically derived from what? Systemic acid pathway, mevalonic acid pathway, acetoacetate pathway, Calvin cycle. Correct answer is systemic acid pathway, which is to be involved in the biosynthesis of flavonoids. Steroidal saponin are biosynthesized via systemic acid pathway, mevalonic acid pathway, acetoacetate pathway, Calvin cycle. The correct answer is mevalonic acid pathway is there, by which the steroidal saponins are there that are biosynthesized. Pyrrole and pyridine ring is present in what? Atropine, vinblastine, digoxin, quinidine. Here, the complex structure is there, that is vinblastine. So, the pyrrole and pyridine ring is present in vinblastine. Correct answer is vinblastine. Aloin from aloe, it contains which type of the glycoside? SNOC. Which glycoside? Correct answer is C, glycoside. Saponin glycoside shows one of the following property. Saponin glycoside is there when it is shake with the water, it produces foam. So foaming, laxative, astringent, and anti-conversion. The correct answer is foaming property. Glycoresin is made up of what? Resin and sugar, resin and volatile oil, resin and gum, resin and fix oil. Correct answer is resin and sugar. Milk contain important acid. Which important acid there should be present? That is a comiforic acid, abatic acid, benzoic acid, acetic acid. Milk, that is a comifera mole is the source of this one particular drug. So the comiforic acid is the correct answer for this one. Ginger, it contain approximate fiber. So fiber detection dose method is there should be utilized. So it correct answer is 5%. We are going to take 100 gram of the drug. From that you get 5 gram fibers. Glycyrrhiza, Glycyrrhiza glabra is what? Bark, fruit, seed, root, or stolon portion. So glycyrrhiza, that is a licorice root or the stolon portion is there should be utilized. So the correct answer is there, that is the root or the stolon. Example of protoalkaloid. So what is the example? That is a morphine, reserpine, ephedrine, none of the above. The correct answer is there, ephedrine is a prototype of the alkaloids. Which is a photosensitive active constituent, that is the santonin, menthol, citral, and rutin is there. So santonin is the one which on in presence of the light it shows a color reaction. Senna leaf belongs to the what family? Leguminosae, Rutaceae, Rubiaceae, Apocynaceae. Correct answer is Leguminosae. Legume-like structures are there that are to be present at the leaf base. So it belongs to the family Leguminosae. Fluorometric analysis is used in the estimation of quinine, morphine, thymol, cynoside. The correct answer is there, that is a quinine is there, where the bluish color is there, it should be present in case of the fluorescence. Fenchol is an important constituent of what? Coriander, fennel, ajoan, clove. The correct answer is fennel.